Yes. Good afternoon, everybody. So I come back here to talk about fundamental trigonometry. The question we have, consider diagram below. Here we have a diagram given here, and then provided the question is that related this diagram. Here the question, consider the diagram below and then after answer the following question is: A. What is the unit of circle? B. Define sine, cosine and tangent. You remember that we discussing fundamental trigonometry as measuring in triangle. Here A, let we start to see the unit of circle. Unit of circle. Unit of circle is the circle which has a center, coordinate is 0 and 0 for x-axis and y-axis, and its radius is equal to 1. This is unit of circle. Unit of circle with the center here. With the center here, we have here the x is equal to 0 and the y-axis is equal to 0. This is the unit of circle. The center is equal to this. The unit point here we have point K, and here we have point M. This point K is equal to, here we have positive x is equal to 0 and 1 positive. Here we have 1 is positive, and point M, the point coordinator x, point M, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to negative 1. Point B is this. Here the x is positive 1, while the y-axis is this. This is the unit point in unit circle. Here we have positive 1 for x-axis, and here we have positive 1 for y axis. Here we have a negative 1 for x axis, and you have positive 1 for y, negative 1 for y axis. This is the unit of circle. The second B, define sine. Define sine. What is sine? Here, point for sine, point. Here we have point. Here we have point P, point A to P is equal to y. Here we have this side is equal to y side. Means that y is equal to sine theta. This theta is angle. This is theta do we have here. This is sine, this is y axis. Y is equal to sine theta. Here and also point O to the A is adjacent, side, while A to the point P, is opposite side. From to the point A to the point P is opposite side, and from point O to the point P, from point O to the P is hypotenuse side, opposite side. So this here we have 3 types of sides. Adjacent side. This side from O to the A is adjacent side. From A to the P is opposite side, and from here this side is hypotenuse, side. From here up to this side is 1 radius. From here up to here is equal to radius, because this from the center of the circle to straight to the point of the circle. Here if we have this all sides, we can get the sine theta. Here sine theta is equal to, this is sine theta. This side is it is the sine theta. Here at this side is sine theta. So what can I do here? Sine theta is equal to opposite side is this side. Opposite side is equal to opposite side is this. It is equal to opposite side over hypotenuse. Opposite side is this, is equal to y over hypotenuse is equal to 1. This is 1 radius. This is 1 radius. This is 1 radius. From here up to here is it the 1 radius. Here we have 1 and equal to y. It means that sine theta is equal to y axis and is equal to opposite side over hypotenuse side. This is the meaning of sine. This is the meaning of sine. Sine is equal to y-axis and is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Now we are going to see cosine. This cosine, let we come back to our diagram. This side is opposite. You remember that this side is opposite, this side is adjacent. If we define cosine theta is equal adjacent over, you remember that adjacent is this side from O up to up to B is adjacent side. From here up to this is adjacent side. If we are going to define cosine, we take the adjacent sine over hypotenuse. You remember that sine theta we take opposite over hypotenuse, but cosine we take adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Here cos theta is equal to adjacent side over hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse, and this is equal adjacent is equal to x over adjacent is equal to x-axis Cosine is equal to x over hypotenuse is equal to 1 because radius is equal to 1. This is equal to x. It means that cos theta is equal to x x axis and is equal to adjacent side over hypotenuse side. This is defined of cos. Then finally we are going to define tangent. Tangent. Here this tangent, let's come back to our diagram. Here we have this side of small size of opposite and the big side of opposite. Tangent is the straight line meet to the circle. If the straight line meet to the circle is called tangent. Tangent is this line that touch to the circumference of the circle. This is tangent. How to define this tangent? We take this side divided by this side. Here tangent, let's come back to define tan. Tan theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta. It means that sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse divided by cos theta is equal to adjacent side over hypotenuse. Then you simplify this and you simplify this is equal to opposite over adjacent. This on the equal to this is opposite side. Opposite side is equal to y. You remember that over adjacent side is equal to x axis. It means that here tan theta is equal to opposite side over adjacent side and equal to y over x axis. In order to get the value of tan theta, we take sin theta divided by cos theta will help us to see the straight line meet to the circumference of the circle. This is definition of tan theta. Okay. These are all demonstrated here. They are answers we get for this our question. Here sin theta is equal to y axis and is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. While cosine theta is equal to x axis and is equal to adjacent side over hypotenuse side. While tan theta is equal to cosine theta is equal to x axis and equal to a over hypotenuse, while the tan theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta. And tan theta also is equal to opposite over adjacent sides and equal to y over x axis. These are very important to know it because will help us to add to other unit we will see in this fundamental trigonometry. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like for this video. Thank you so much, and I love you so much.